We'll be looking how to create a project, we'll run through a basic edit workflow, and then we'll export your work at the end. We're looking at the new project browser with the updated fixed user interface in Lightworks version 14. Here, I can see and access my recently used projects, and I can also start a new project. Well, let's get going. Click Create a New Project. We'll call that Surf Competition. I'm going to set the frame rate. Hit the drop down menu. I've got 30 frame material today, so I'm just going to go straight away, choose 30 frame, hit Create. On the left hand side, this is the project contents panel. This is where we're going to manage all our media. But what we need to do first of all is get some stuff imported. Straight to the local files tab and browse using the places drop down to your media. Once you've located the media, now I'm just going to pick up the corners of my shot. I can drag it smaller, but I can also drag it larger. And I'm also going to click on the picture and reposition that, so I get the guy in the middle a bit more. And finally, I want to put some title graphics across my whole piece. I'm going to go to the beginning, mark an in point. I'm going to go right to the final frame. Over to the effects panel, let's put the text in. I'm just going to scroll and change the font with my mouse wheel. And set my positioning to left justified. I'm going to pick that text up and just pop it in the top left corner there. And now, that green title effect you can see in the FX track runs all the way across our edit. Okay, but that's all I want to do there, so let's go back to the edit tab. And actually, now I'm back here, I'm not too happy with that resize we did, so I'm just going to remove the effect off the clip by right clicking and choosing remove. That'll reset the shot back to the beginning. Great, well I'm all set to export. To export your work, right click, choose export. I'm going to make an MP4 file ready to upload to YouTube. Export the whole sequence and hit start. Now the export is a background task, so you're free to carry on working while this is happening, saving you valuable time. So we hope you enjoy the new look Lightworks 14. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
To start, simply select a clip in the library. From here, you can drag assets to the timeline, edit existing ones, and trim as needed. You can also apply changes like cropping, playback speed, or color correction, as well as choose from a range of filters. With the library on the left, you can add new media, titles, or background elements. And you don't need to worry about saving, as Create auto-saves your work as you go, so you never lose it. If you close your project or end your browsing session, you may need to relink some assets. But don't worry, we'll guide you through that process. Once you're finished, hit Export at the top right to compile your video.
Hello and welcome to my beginner OpenShot tutorial. I prepared some short video files, a music file and a watermark image, and we're gonna make a little video out of them. Before we add the files, let's make sure we have the right profile. I'm gonna use the standard resolution HD 720p 30 fps one. You can pick any other. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I think this is a good start. Now I'm just going to drag the files I want to use in this project. And because I have a bit too many tracks, I'm just going to remove some of them. Yeah, I think 3 is good. Let's make a little bit more space. And we are going to start with a signing video. We can zoom in with this slide bar or with the control button and scroll wheel of our mouse. From the playlist, you can put it into the timeline. There you go, a new video track has been added. You can also add and remove tracks in a context menu by right-clicking this area. You can resize the elements using this slider, and you can move around the timeline by pressing on the time bar at the top. Once you are done editing your video, you will want to render or export your video. In shortcut, this is called encode. Just press the CD icon, and then you resize the music control. And I would say you can just go ahead and use the defaults. Just say code file, and then pick your file name. Press save, and on the right there will be the jobs appearing with the percentage showing all the progresses of the rendering. That's it for this very basic tutorial. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Have fun editing!
Okay, we're going to take a look here at DaVinci Resolve. This is DaVinci Resolve 9 Lite. So basically, for all intents and purposes, it's the same as DaVinci Resolve 9. You can get it for free. For free on the website. It's definitely an awesome program to use. But you already know that, so let's go ahead and get started. You've opened up the program, and now the first thing you got to do is go into the Conform tab. All these cuts are here as well, and they also show up down here in your master timeline. But again, you're going to want to create a new timeline. And then you'll be able to go through here and make some more edits if you discover that.
See, creativity made easy is our tagline. One of the ways that we make video editing a lot simpler is by unbundling each of the different tasks that you might want to do with video. So for example, if you want to add subtitles to your video, we have a tool optimized just for that, so that you don't need to worry about everything else, like what does this random eyedropper tool do if you really just want to add subtitles. So I'll show you how this tool works. It's one of our most popular. So this is just a sample video. You can see that there's this text, my first subtitle, click to edit, and it appears on top of the video in the left-hand preview. So add something like, Monday morning. Okay, so you can see here they're overlapping because the times are overlapping. So I can rearrange the piece and rearrange the timer so that it appears for the second half of the video. See the preview on the left, and just click create when I'm done. So you can see there's video is processed remotely, doesn't connect to the computer, goes pretty fast. And here's the subtitled video. The subtitles just burn directly in that I can download to my computer. So all of Complain's features work a little bit like that. We have a really popular feature for resizing videos, which helps you, take an original video like this and change it for your different social media feeds. We also have a meme maker, which lets you, take an image or a GIF or a video just like this, and put, captions above and below the GIF or the image or the video to make a new video that can share on social media. We also have filters. We have all sorts of other tools that are really popular. Trimmer that lets you just cut out a highlight of the video and just take that highlight, create a report from that highlight that you can use for social media or for whatever it is that your lessons are, or share with friends, things like that. So yeah, those are some of the features that you can use with Complain. You can see them all here. There's 15 of them, and it's totally free. All of the features are free. You don't need to sign in. You don't need to install anything. You can immediately do whatever it is that you need to do without, trying to learn some fancy program. And yeah, Complain is used already by hundreds of thousands of people all over the world that we know. We have people in every language and every country that use Complain. So it's an awesome tool for creating video if you need to do a task really quickly, or if you don't know how to use one of the existing video editors because it's really complicated, but you still have a video task that you need to complete. So yeah, come check out Complain. If you're a student, we have a pilot for schools going on starting in the 2018 school year. You can check out on our blog. If you're a nonprofit, you can email us for special discounts. And yeah, we have tons of companies, digital marketers, artists, freelancers, entrepreneurs who use Complain every day to promote themselves and promote their work using all of our awesome features. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully looking forward to seeing your videos made on Complain. Bye!